Welcome to second episode of Sanghu's kitchen. Today we are going to tell you how to prepare Paalak Paneer. So it's very popular in India. So Paalak Paneer is quite famous. Now to prepare this Paalak Paneer, you must have Paalak leaves. So we have already cut these Paalak leaves here, and some tomatoes, chilies are here, and onion, and you should have paneer according to you. Just make it in cubes, and then we are going to make the liquid form of this palak leaf, and also we are going to make tomato soup with mixer, and then we will continue. Then we have mixed palak leaves using mixer, and you can see we have the paste of palak leaves. Okay, and also we have mixed tomato, and we have tomato paste as well. Okay, and we have cut our onions and chilies. Now we are ready to start our cooking, and here you can see we have black pan to prepare. So now first we'll add oil. The very first step is to fry paneer cubes, and it requires some good amount of oil. Whenever you use paneer cubes, so you should wash it properly before cooking. So now I think it is ready. Let us try one, and we have to make it up to like till golden color of paneer cubes. Yeah, I think it will now work. You just manage your flame. You should be careful because paneer must have some water, so I put all the paneer cubes, and I am just trying to fry it properly. It will take some time. Yeah. So as I said we have to fry paneer cubes, and you can see paneer cubes turns to brown, and without wasting time, just you take out this paneer cubes in some bowl. So it will be little crispy and it will taste good when you have it. And we are going to use same oil what exactly we use for paneer. Now just start frying chilies. You have cumin seeds. We have cumin seeds. You have mustard seed. And then you put onion, onion should be in good amount because it increases your density of your curry. Now mix it properly. See, now you can see properly that onions are turning to brown. Even green chilies are also. So it means we have deeply fried this onion. We can wait for a moment. Let us check our rice. Yeah, rice is okay. Yeah, pressure is there. I can see our paneer cubes are quite good and they are so crispy. Yeah, now this is the time to put all spices. First we start with salt. I have used 2 teaspoon of salt and then chili powder according to you. Let me put like half. Arvind don't like much chili powder, so I consider him also. And Arvind is my good friend who is right now shooting this video. I am preparing this food for him. Now I have added turmeric powder. Now this is coriander powder. I have special MDH Kitchen King, you can see, especially my mom gave me to put during my cooking. Now we have added all the spices properly, and this is the time we need to mix. We have added ginger garlic paste also. Now you can see we have properly mixed onion, chili, ginger garlic paste. Now this is the time when we should put this tomato. We have added tomato soup in this pan. Now this is time to put our palak leaf. Added some water. I have added palak soup here. Now you can see it turns to green. Mix it properly, and as you have already observed, with tomato and palak leaf I have added some amount of water. So to make it balance, I will take half spoon of salt. You should maintain your spiciness. Let me put some chili as well. Now make it properly. Mix it properly. Now this is the time when you put all the paneer cube in this curry, green curry, okay, and put one by one, and please separate like all paneer cubes in your pan. Now mix it properly. And please make it sure that your paneer cubes are immersed properly in your pan, so that it will absorb. We have properly added paneer cubes in the green curry, and just stir this curry properly. Now we should cover it. Okay, we should cover it for at least 10 minutes so that it will cook properly. You can see our rice is already get ready. And we are going to cook, we are going to prepare some chapatis as well. So, thank you for this episode. In next episode, we will come with new dish, and tonight we are going to enjoy our delicious Paalak Paneer. Thank you very much. Namaskar.